Hey, welcome to TechAlertTV. My name is Cas and on this channel I do tips and guides on computer building as well as tech product reviews. So consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any future videos. Today I've got an unboxing for you guys of a 4K action cam with Wi-Fi. So let's rip that box apart. So, first let's have a look on the box. It says action camera with Wi-Fi. It got a 2-inch color LCD screen, 12 megapixel camera, and apps for Android and iPhone, iOS. It's on the top. It says action camera with Wi-Fi. They put it overall everywhere. 4K Ultra HD. On the back of the box we got a nice text with all kinds of explanations, but it also will be in the user manual. A nice list of package contents, what's inside the box, the camera itself, a waterproof case, clip case, helmet mounting kit, USB cable, a bike mount, tripod adapter, and the user manual. And some information I will read out. Interface USB 2.0, image sensor color 8 megapixel Sony sensor, video resolution 4K at 30 fps, 2.7K at 30 fps, 1080p on 30 and 60 fps, and 720p at 90, 60 and 30 fps. The photo resolution is 2, 5, 8, 12 or 16 megapixels. The file format is MP4. Memory, it supports speed class 10 micro SSDs with a maximum storage of 32 gigs. It's got an internal rechargeable battery of 750 milliamps. The power input for charging is DC 5 volts 1 amp. So you can charge it from a USB port on your computer or any other device. Dimensions 59 by 41 by 25 millimeters. So it's pretty small, just around the same size as a GoPro. Also this one is a lot cheaper. The length of the USB cable is 80 centimeters and the weight of the camera is 60 grams. So there's not much more to the box. So let's open it. Get the knife. There's a plastic thing right here, and on this side, let's put the knife away for now. So, let's get it open. It folds away. And the inside. And this thing just goes away. So before we're going to take a look at the camera. First, accessories. This is the clip mount with the bottom and top mounts for on the tripod. That's neat. The bike mount with a bending thing. So how you're supposed to attach that? This is a 90-degree angle clip, so you can put it on another angle. You've got a tripod adapter. This thing goes on here. I see. I get it. And this is also for adjusting, applying it to a 90-degree angle mount. The USB cable. You also got a sticker thing for on your helmet, I think. with a tripod adapter also. That's pretty cool. A quick mount for on your helmet. Okay. You have 2 straps for mounting it to something else. We've got a user guide with all the information that is necessary. Not super special, but you can see everything is in there. But nobody reads them, so we're just gonna skip that part. So that were the accessories. Now the camera itself. The thing up goes away. I must say it's pretty heavy. This is the waterproof case. That has to open up some way. Ah, it's a weird mechanism, but it works. So, here we've got our camera. The waterproof case with rubber lining. And the quick mount. In the future I will test how waterproof it actually is. But for now, we've got the camera. Let's pull it all. Take off the stickers. We don't need them. This is so nice. It looks pretty good, I must say. It's very little. A nice screen. Pretty nice. A little box at the bottom. Where's that for? I have no clue. I think that's the battery. Ah! It's a removable battery. That's nice. With a little label, you can pull it out. Let's get it in there. That's not the place. Where the hell does it go? Something not like that. Ah, there we go. You got your micro SD slot and your USB port, and there's a mini HDMI. That's pretty cool. It's like you can hook it up to a monitor or a television. So, now, get to our thoughts. So, this was my unboxing of my 4K action cam. I will be testing it and give you guys a review, but that will be by the end of March, because I'm going on a skiing trip, and then I will use it to get the best footage. So, I hope you liked this unboxing. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you do, click the like button and hit subscribe to see future videos. And I hope to see you in the next one.